Hello guys and welcome to the Karzi world. Here we are explaining you a detailed video of new Creta's cluster and touchscreen out there. So let's begin without any further delay. So yeah, this is the top end variant and you get a digital screen out here with the analog RPM meter and some temperature and fuel meter out here. So if you want to toggle this, you can always toggle it from here. You can see from this button you can toggle, you can press, like you can do whatever you want to see. It gives you a very nice display. It is showing you accumulated info, everything. It will show you the detail and it will show you average mileage. It will display you. If you want, you can always do it in the this speed also. You can see nothing much to talk about this. The readability is quite okay with this, no issue regarding that also. And the main part is when you come to this. So yeah, again, this is a very nice screen. You must have seen it in the Seltos also. It is similar because Hyundai shares many parts with the Kia. So let's forget it for a bit and start with this. So if you see, the touch lag is very minimal or almost there is none. This is a very slick screen to use, and if you remove this protective film, it will become even slicker. So no issue with that also. You can always just change this if you want some other widgets and everything out here. So again, a very nice thing out here. And here it shows you a small map, the media and compass. No, unlike the other brands, but this shows very nicely. And compass reminds you of Jeep compass. Keeping that aside, yeah, this is phone. If your phone is connected, you can always do this. Check this out. My phone is not connected, so yeah, it won't show out there. So it takes a bit of time to cancel the things out there. So yeah, there is a blue link setting out there. You can send to car, share destination, vehicle diagnosis. If you diagnose to know what all thing is wrong or right with the car, you can always check this blue link setting is there. You can activate blue link or modern information if you want to check it out. Here also shows a map in a smaller screen, and if you want to see it out here, you can always do that. And yeah, overall the screen is very slick to use, considering the fact it is a very nice car touch screen, and this is a 10-inch approximately. You can also on auto healthy air, which turns on the air purifier of the car. Here are some of the favorites if you want to check it out. No items out here right now. Here is a radio setting. If you will press it, you can do some toggle out here. Band, if you want to change the band. Here's a list, the regular radio and all those stuff out here. Nothing much to talk about here. Here's a map if you want to see a full screen map. This is also very nice. You get more functions out here. The main thing is that you get a volume for dedicated button for volume, which is again very nice for this Bose control audio system. You get dedicated buttons for the main functions as well. Again, very nice thing to do. So yeah, it is overall very slick. You can always record your voice and save it as voice memo also. You can, in the navigation setting, you can name you can do various names, search by name and POI category, and address book is also there. You can see Hyundai service if you want to find. You can Hyundai dealership if you want to find. If there's any emergency situation, you can always press this. There's address if you want to search, and everything is very good out here. And rest, if you want to talk about it, here you see main setting. If you want to know this setting, here are driver assistance, warning volume should be high, medium or low, whatever. And here you check it out. Here you see that one touch turn indicator, 3 flashes in the headlight timeout. You can see that also. And cluster settings, you can see welcome sound if you want or not, energy consumption how you want it to be, door auto lock you want it on speed or whatever setting you want to fix it, you can do it, enable, off and everything. That is again a very nice thing. And cluster we have shown you. Talking about the convenience, if you want to turn on the wireless charging pad, this is the wireless charging pad for you. So if you can off it, you can always. And yeah, here is automatic ventilation and washer fluid use. If you want to the outer scent of washer fluid come in, or you don't want it, you can also do that. That is also quite nice of a feature. And here, if you want to reset to everything stock, you can do that as well, like in phone. And talking it in the setting, here you get more setting out here. And vehicle setting, we show this is for vehicle setting. You can see the navigation setting out here, map display how you want it, and color theme how you want it. Everything is there, not an issue. Map view how you want it, 3D buildings or not, symbol viewings if you want, how you want the symbols out there, and guidance if you want or not, previous destination or speed limit you want to know or not, route plan if you want to know or not, and blue link there are setting, and advanced if you want custom buttons, and you can always also customize the buttons on the steering wheels, which is again a very nice. You can do home settings, edit home icons, and you can basically do everything you want to do. It's like a phone, you can edit everything out there. So yeah, you can see what's your data out here. Keep rear view if you want to tell the specialty of Hyundai. No matter if you are in reverse gear or not, you can see the reverse camera out here. And yeah, so talking about in the general, you get some screensaver options, like if you want analog or digital, or you don't want any of it, you want date and time how it should be, 24-hour format or 12 hours format. You want the language English, Hindi, and if you want, you can how you want to see the temperature in Celsius, Fahrenheit. You can see in kilometer per liter or whatever. You can just see it. The tire pressure monitoring also, if you want to know how you want to set it up, in which you want to see the system info, you get various settings out here. Also, if you want to adjust something with the Bose sound system, you can also do that. If you want to do some staging and blah blah, you can always do it here. If you want to set the volume setting, sound system, it's good. You can do a lot of setting out here, and phone projection you can always do here. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, not an issue with this also. So yeah, it is overall nice. You get equalizers to basic one, which you want to set it up with bass and all. Again, a very very nice touch. Overall, I like this infotainment, no issues with that. You get some various setting out here, so everything is according to your convenience. You can whatever you wish to, you can adjust in this particular thing. So that is again a very very nice thing. In advance, you can speed compensation if you want something with speed, like in high speed and you want the systems to adjust accordingly, volume and all. That is also out here. You need to turn it on. Very very nice thing out there. Overall, the car is nice. Voice recognition, you can use voice interruption or another thing. All you want to, whatever you want to do, you can do in this. You want something turn on, everything you want to wish, it's here out. So overall, if you want to check out the rear camera quality, it is also very good. You can see adaptive guidelines out here, no issue with that also, and I really like the camera quality out here. So yeah, overall it is a nice thing. And rest, if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and this car credit goes to SAS Hyundai. If you want to purchase any car out here, you can visit SAS Hyundai Lucknow. Thank you. Vinay Narwal signing off.